Ya togotigana yubono tiga tena torigereria roboti rorengete Abararia abanchinyomba cy'Obararia sebono abanyene chinyomba cy'Obararia baboriwe kwene kyanga Abararia mbabwate bimeria ayobochenu meyense ya Kenya ikiagera emerimo yabo nigebwata amako amange kuno kuboria kwarure hase Ekeombe keria Abararia ya Kenya Media Sector Working Group aseba igo bamochirie Ogosaganwa go kwene kibwa ase Abararia chinga kibare ase emerimo yabanene ekero bakobwate chiroboti chiria cyokurobekana imeyense ya Kenya nigo bono bamochirie abanyanyimbo aso ogosinywa koba oborendi boisaine Abararia chinga kichiria bakore emerimo ekero gyokurobekana kokorekana.
Ensure that their employees have a basic medical insurance so that when they go out there to do their job and unfortunately they're involved in an accident, then they are well catered for. We do not have to engage in fundraising for media professionals who are actually employed. So we are seeking and we are appealing to media owners to ensure that they implement basic policies that safeguard the well-being of their employees. It is deeply irresponsible that media owners and newsroom managers are deploying journalists to highly volatile and traumatic assignments, such as the recent Gen Z protests, the harrowing recovery of bodies at Kware, and high-octane political rallies without any medical insurance. Equipping a reporter with merely a helmet and a bulletproof vest while denying them a health safety net is akin to signing their death sentence. We cannot advocate for press freedom while ignoring the welfare of our own.
Tumeona kwamba kuna zile genge ya vijana ambao wamekuwa wakivamia wanahabari katika mikutano za kisiasa. Tunasema kwamba polisi lazima hakikisha kwamba wanahabari wanalindwa wakati wanapofanya kazi yao ili wasishambuliwe na vitu zao za kufanya kazi ama vyombo zao kufanya kazi zisiharibiwe, kwa sababu tumeona kwamba wakati hao vijana wanapovamia watu katika mikutano za kisiasa, cha kwanza huwa wanavamia wanahabari, wanavunja kamera zao na recorder zao ili waanze kuficha ukweli. Kwa hivyo tunasema kwamba hiyo lazima ikome na polisi lazima hakikisha kwamba wanahabari wako na usalama.
So we are also urging the media owners to ensure that even journalists also benefit from all these things that are coming from the government. So that journalists' salaries should also go by at least 12%. So that it should not just be a selective application of justice, like I said, that some of these pronouncements are coming from the government, but the journalists are not benefiting.
Na togoska motu mwanchi mwori tutigana